Hello second graders, happy Tuesday. I'm here to show you another math game that you can play this summer. It's a game that you can play with just a regular set of playing cards here. This game is called the Pyramid Game. And this game is a little different than yesterday because this game you can play all by yourself. So this game, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take out all of your face cards, just like yesterday. All the kings and queens and aces, or jokers if you have them. You're going to take all those cards out and set them aside. You don't need them. Then with the deck that you have left, you're going to first build a pyramid. So the way that this works is you're going to flip it over and you start with 1. Your next row is going to have 2. Your third row will have 3, just like that. And you can see it's kind of building this pyramid shape. My next row is going to have 4, and then I'm going to have 5 in my next row, and you're going to keep building rows like this until you have 6. So this one here will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you forget how many you're supposed to turn over, you can always just look at the last row that you put down and add 1 more. So you can see now that my board here has a whole little pyramid shape. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be looking for 10s. The whole object or the purpose of this game is to find combinations of 10s. So my free 10s are the ones that are already a 10. So I'm going to look around all these cards here and look for 10. So I'm going to pull those out. So there's a 10, there's a 10. I've got another 10 down here. There we go. Now that I've taken out all my 10s, I'm going to look for combinations of 10. So I want to look for numbers that we can quickly add together that make 10. So here I see an 8 and a 2. I'm going to put those together because those make a 10 and then pull them out of my pyramid. I've got a 6 and a 4 up here. I'm going to pull those out of my pyramid. I'm going to keep looking across. I've got my 7 and a 3 here. I know 7 plus 3 equals 10, so I can pull those to the side. Now I'm looking. I see I have a 5 and a 5, a nice double fact that makes 10. I'm going to set those over here. I see here I've got an 8 and a 2. So I'm looking across this whole pyramid and kind of pulling out all of my combinations of 10. Another one here, 8 and 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. And I see here I've got a 6 and a 4, and 6 and 4 equals 10. So once I have pulled out all the combinations that I could find within my pyramid, I've got the cards that are left in my hand here. And I'm one at a time going to flip those over and try to make combinations of 10. So I know 7 plus 3 equals 10. Here we go. So I'm going to continue to flip through these cards in my hand until there are none left. So once I've gone through all of these, and I've made all my combinations of 10, let's say that this is all I have left of my pyramid. So I'm going to add up what I have left here, and that's going to be my score for round 1. So my equation here would be 9 plus 9 plus 9, and that is my score. So I know 9 plus 9 is a double fact, and that's going to be 18. And I want to add on 9 more. And the way that I can do that is make a 10 here. So I'm going to take 2 from 9 to make this 20. So I'm going to do 18 plus 2, because I'm going to break my 9 into 2 and 7. So 18 plus 2 is going to give me 20. And then 20 plus 7 is going to give me 27. So my score for round 1 is 27. And I can keep playing this game by taking my cards, shuffling them up again, and building my pyramid. So have fun playing, second graders.